See, nobody saw me.
Harold, are you checking the cake, or is the cake checking you?
I was just saying goodnight to the cake.
Come here, Harold. I want to show you something.
What is it? Have I really become this big?
I didn't know I had changed so much.
It's never too late to take care of yourself. Let's visit the doctor tomorrow.
Good morning, Harold. Let's see how you're doing today. I hope the scale is in a good mood today. Harold, we need to talk. Harold, you don't need a perfect diet. You need healthy habits. Walk every day, eat healthy food, and enjoy sweets only sometimes. Today, my new life begins. From today, no more cakes, no more cookies. My healthy life starts now.
I'm proud of you, Harold. I'll help you every day.
No, not today. I choose my health.
That's my Harold.
What smells so wonderful?
Fresh cookies for our guests.
Oh, I was just looking. Just one cookie.
Your mustache is telling the truth.
Oops! I will do it right.
Healthy food can be tasty too.
Oh.
It smells amazing.
I know, but remember your goal.
You're right. I'll have a smaller portion.
Look at you, Harold. Healthy habits are becoming easy.
Every day gets a little easier.
I'm proud of you.
Rose! I told you!
Small steps bring big results.
Haha! I'm not giving up now. Papa, would you like some chocolate cake?
No, thank you. I'm choosing healthy food today.
Great choice, Harold. Look at you, Harold.
I feel healthier and happier.
Hard work always pays off.
Remember, small healthy habits can change your life.
Now, let's learn 3 new English.
Habit, healthy, progress.
Can you say them with us?
Great job! You learned 3 new English words today. Now it's your turn.
Now it's your turn.
What healthy habit?
Write your answer in the comments.